friends, Running Kimono here, and we have some smoking hot curbside deals. Like, they are so amazing. I think we need to throw a little bit of water on them because it is like piping hot deals when you can get this amount of stuff for free. Fantastic. So just to jog the new shoppers through this, we're hitting that blue button on the left hand side for a pickup through your cell phone, tablet, desktop computer. You're going to add this little wish list into a cart and opt to pick it up at store. And that is called a curbside pickup. And basically, you drive to the store, go to the photo counter and say, "Hi, my name is Jane Smith. Oh, Mrs. Smith, here's your order." Boom, that easy. So with the curbside pickup, there are no register rewards. Register rewards are in-store only. Your balance must be $10 after all digital coupons, a new little thing they gave to us. If some items get canceled, like they try to fulfill it and they're like, "Oh, sorry, we don't have half of it in," because we're doing these deals with a booster, just cancel your order or do not pick it up, and within 3 days, it'll just get completely voided and canceled. For the balance of this, because we are using boosters, you have to use your debit card. But yeah, there's some savings to be had and found. Let's just say you're more of a shopper that likes to go in store and you're just like, you know what, this curbside stuff, it's just not for me. I made a video yesterday where I actually went in store, did some deals, showed you a couple things, a bit of razzle dazzle. So watch this video linked at the very end if that is more your speed. And as I was saying, register rewards are not printing. What is that? It's specifically these. So if you wanted to do that shampoo deal of spend 30, get back one of these, you gotta do it in store. Okay, and I just wanted to also let you guys know on one of my accounts, I did not get these digital coupons, but on Sunday morning they appeared. So it's kind of strange. They weren't there, then they all of a sudden appeared as For You coupons. So you might want to look through your For You at the top of your digital coupons folder. They may be there, they may not be there. It's a lottery. Okay, so let's get to deal number one. So for deal number one, guys, you're going to need this booster loaded, which is 20 back when you spend 40. It's of a one-time use, so if you still have it kicking around in your account, this is the deal that we're going to do. We're going to grab 2 of these face cleansers. They are 2 for $10. Now, here's something weird. Sometimes I was getting overage. Sometimes I wasn't getting overage with these, which is really, really bizarre. So just be mindful of that if your math isn't mathing. But this digital coupon is attaching, which is a 12 off of 2 for this product. Also for the basket, we have our 2 cleansers. We're going to throw in a $29.99 Olay fancy skin cream and then 1 toilet paper for 79 cents to get the basket to 40 bucks. And then we're also going to load this one for the premium lotion. We have that other 12 off of 2. And just to show you, the $12 one came off. I don't know if it's attaching to the other lotion or what. And then the $2 one came off. So some weird math going off. But that's $14 off right there. So looking at the overall basket, it is $40.78. Curbside pickup is free, $2.45 in tax, $14 melting off. With your debit card, pay $29.23, and you're getting back $25 in Walgreens cash. $20 for the booster of spend 40, get back 20, and then an extra 5 as Olay is a P&G product and it's still on that promotion of spend 20, get back 5. So that's why you're getting back $25. So it makes it a really neat and tidy little basket. If you're looking for Olay cleanser or premium skincare, this is the basket for you. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to look at, and pick wisely which deal you want to do, as this booster is of a one-time use. We're going to need this loaded for this little dealio as well. So this is just a hodgepodge of stuff. Again, we're going to grab 1 Witch Hazel Olay toner and then 1 of their cleansers, like mixing and matching it, and they are 2 for $10. And then also a CHARMIN toilet paper. And this is the CHARMIN for $14.99. And we're also going to grab 1 of the men and 1 of the women's body washes by Dove, and then have this digital coupon loaded, which is a 6 off of 2. And with the Dove, it's buy 15, get back 5. And then to get the basket right to 40, we're short. So, of course, we're going to grab my best friend, which is this roll of toilet paper. And the final coupons that you need loaded, of course, the 12 off of 2 for the Olay, the skin toner and the cleanser, and then this $8 for the CHARMIN toilet paper. Olay and CHARMIN are P&G products, so you're going to get back an extra 5 as well, just to note that, guys. Looking at the overall basket, it's $40.78. Free curbside pickup, tax, $24 in digitals melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $19.23 and get back $30 in Walgreens cash. 20 for the booster, 5 for P&G, and then 5 for Dove. So this is well over a $10 moneymaker as a curbside pickup, and this right here is extreme couponing. Any way you slice it or dice it. Okay, deal number 3. We need our best friend loaded, $20 of Walgreens cash when you spend $40. Pick and choose wisely how you want to use it, guys. For this little deal, we're going to grab one of my best friends, that roll of toilet paper for 79 cents, and the Olay Eczema Therapy Cream for $39.99. If your store is not on clearance, I feel for you, and if you don't want to wait on this deal, this one is for you. I know a lot of you suffer from eczema. I've been reading through the comments on the weekend. Myself in that basket too. I have flare-ups from now and then. We have this digital coupon, and it's on sale at $39.99. It's usually closer to $50 for that one lotion, but load this coupon because it's attaching. So looking at your overall basket, guys, for the one eczema cream and the toilet paper, it's $40.78. Our curbside pickup is free, $2.45 in tax, and that $10 digital melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $33.23 and then get back $25 in Walgreens cash. 20 for the booster, and then 5 for spending, $39.99 on a P&G product. So it's something, if you wanted to try out that lotion, it would be about $10 for you to try it out. And I believe it's for your face. And if you suffer from eczema, how harsh that can be. I sympathize with you guys because I'm right in that boat as well. It is not pleasant. Okay, guys, the final deal that we have, number 4, we are going to grab one of the smaller CHARMINs at $5.49, and then this Crest white strip for $35.99. Sometimes if you like to just do these white strips a couple times a year just to make your teeth look a little more pearly, I know I'm in that boat as well. This is a really good deal, especially if you have the digital coupons to go with. So you need your booster loaded, which is $20 back when you spend $40. Have this guy loaded, which is a $15 off, very generous coupon. And then we also need this one loaded, which is a $2.50 off of one of those CHARMINs, and that baby one it's attaching to as well. And the overall basket is $41.48. Side pickup is free, a bit of tax, and $17.50 in digitals coming off. With your debit card, pay $26.47, and you're getting back $25.41. If we're not factoring in the tax, you're basically getting your basket completely for free. 20 for the booster, and then 5 for the P&G products. And yes, CHARMIN and Crest white strips are part of the P&G family. Make a basket happen. This is a fire week over at Walgreens, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.